Hello everyone. Today we are going to register an account on Trivial Security, and we are going to log into that account. This should be a relatively simple process, but so yeah, let's start here. The first step would be, of course, to go to trivialsec.com, and once you get there, you actually have a couple of options. You get to log in or register. We're interested in registering for now. The first step is to fill this text field with an organization name. Now I don't really have one, so we're gonna go with the default here, which is Acme Corp. And login email. I'm actually going to use a temporary email for this, just for the sake of example. So now it's loading. Should fulfill without problem. There we go. Okay, so we got a message saying that our account was registered with success and that we should check our email inbox for a message. So I still haven't gotten one, but it should be here at any moment. Okay, good stuff. I just got the email. So the email is relatively simple. Just comes with this little login link that we are going to need to actually activate the account. You can also just click on activate, and we'll be redirected to a loading screen followed by our profile page. So this is our profile page. We'll play with it some other time when we have some more time to do it. For now, I'm going to log out just so I can show how the login system actually works. So to log in, we'll press on the login button, of course, and we will have to place our email address here. And my email address is actually this one. I have too much stuff open. There we go. So click on login. A little message will pop up checking credentials, and we must have received our email now. And let's get it. Okay, so after the login, we get a magic link on our email. Pretty much the same as just the confirmation account email. We just click the magic link, and that should suffice to log in. There. So we have successfully logged in. We have a little message here to warn us to activate two-factor authentication. And I think that's going to be it for now. Next time, let's actually get into the meat of it.